In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to pin or delete a post in the Skool community. Whether you're a seasoned member or new to the platform, knowing how to manage your post is crucial for keeping your community organized and relevant. So let's get started. First, open your preferred web browser and head over to Google. In the search bar, type in Skool and hit enter. This should bring up a list of results. Click on the first result, which should be the official Skool website. You'll need to log in with your account to proceed, so if you're not already logged in, go ahead and enter your credentials. Remember, keeping your password secure is important, so always ensure you're logging in from a trusted device. Once you're logged in, direct your attention to the upper left corner of the page. You'll see some arrows there. Click on them to reveal a list of communities you're part of. From the list, select the community where you want to manage your post. Now that you're on your chosen communities page, find the post that you'd like to pin or delete. This is typically achieved by scrolling through the feed until you spot it. Click on the specific post to open it. Now look towards the upper left section of the post where you'll notice 3 dots. Clicking on these dots will unveil a drop-down menu. For those looking to highlight important content, click on Pin to Feed. Pinning a post promotes visibility by moving it to the top of the community feed, ensuring all members can easily see it. It's a great way to prioritize important announcements or highlight must-read content. Once you've pinned the post, you might need to click anywhere outside the drop-down menu to close it. This process is pretty straightforward and provides a smooth user experience, ensuring that everything stays neatly organized. Next, if your goal is to delete a post, return to the post you previously selected. Once more, click on the 3 dots located at the top left of the post. From the drop-down menu, select Delete. A prompt will appear asking for confirmation. Carefully consider your decision, as deleting a post will permanently remove it from the community. If you're sure, click Delete to finalize the process. And there you have it! You've successfully learned how to pin and delete posts within the Skool community. These actions help maintain an organized and efficient community, allowing important information to stand out and keeping the community feed relevant. If you found this tutorial helpful, consider liking and subscribing for more tips and guides on using the Skool platform effectively. Thank you for watching, and have a productive day managing your communities.